Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem was in Scottsdale Friday, slamming Arizona's elections and pushing for a federal law that would require voters to submit proof of citizenship when registering to vote, something that's already law here in Arizona.
Your state has been an absolute disaster on elections.
Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem is facing heightened scrutiny over her handling of immigration enforcement. But she was in the Valley Friday to pitch the Save America Act bill.
It also requires proof of citizenship in order to register to vote. And it requires states to remove non-citizens from their voter rolls.
The federal legislation would also require voters to show ID at the polls. Arizona already mandates voter ID, and state law requires people to show proof of citizenship when registering to vote, as Arizona's top election official said in a social media video.
So don't come into Arizona there from Washington, D.C. and tell us how to run our elections. We're doing just fine without you. Thank you very much.
The Save America Act would be stricter than Arizona's law, which allows members of indigenous nations to use tribal enrollment documents as proof. For most Arizonans, proof of citizenship is done through their driver's license.
I think the American people, once they realize what is actually in this bill, are going to be pretty mad that it passed the House of Representatives.
Congressman Stanton voted against the bill, which faces long odds in the U.S. Senate.
The bill would require states across this country to hand over voter information to the federal government. That is completely and totally unconstitutional.
Noem said the federal legislation is needed to prevent non-citizens from voting, but declined to provide any Arizona examples.
Our nation's choices, instead, if it were allowed to degrade our election system, would allow illegal aliens, criminals, and others to undermine our country.
It's illegal for non-citizens to vote, and such cases are very rare. In Phoenix, Emmanuel Tebek, ABC 15 Arizona.